In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the corner lights on this Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. There's a Phillips head screw on top. Take a screwdriver and remove it. Now, my corner light is actually broken, so this piece is going to just come off. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to just loosen up the corner light. I'm going to take this and dispose of it. At this point, you should be able to take the corner light and pry it out. It just has two tabs, one on the bottom and one over here. For me, this one is broken. Regardless, once you pop it out, you should be able to press on the back side of this electrical connector, wiggle it. Sometimes these get stuck just from sand and debris buildup. Once you unplug it, there it is. Take the new one, plug it in. Once that connector clicks, line it up with this tab on the side and the one underneath, as well as up top here. You're going to have to wiggle it until it slides into place. Once it's in, it'll kind of lock into place. You'll notice that you can't easily pop it out. And then to fully lock it in, you're going to want to put the screw back in at the top. Thread that on. Tighten it up. When you tighten it, it's just going into plastic. So once it gets snug, just give it a little extra. You should be good to go. Do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.